It's Beezy back with the E46 problems again. So today we got a funny little thing that happened, yo. So like I end up having to finally change the rear coilovers because they were blown, and plus I cheaped out and I bought some eBay coilovers, and eBay ain't always the best. So your boy spent a little bit of money. Well, I didn't. My lady bought them for me. She actually bought me a set of Maxpeeding coils so I could replace my rear shocks. All right. Now the thing was, I'll show you the rear. So as you can see, one down for eBay coilovers. When I say blown, blown. And we're gonna say one up on the Maxpeedings, because as you can see from the ride height, the car looks a lot better. A lot better. So you're gonna see how she drives today. I'll let you guys know at the end of this video how it feels. We'll take it on the road, maybe get a little vlog on it, but it should be good. It actually looks a lot better. It sits a lot better, so we'll see. It makes it a little more proportionate. We'll see what it does. It was a pretty fun deal because it was real simple. I actually got to keep using my pillow ball mounts. Man, I found out though, like I think I might have had someone finesse me on my pillow ball mounts to be here. I'll kind of show you what the setup looks and see. Yeah, that's what one side looks like. Sorry it's so dirty back here. I just got done working in here, so don't really look the cleanest, but and some of the old paint's like kind of coming off. You know how it is once you pull back this little weird material. I didn't actually rip it all out yet, the sound deadener. I kept some of it in because of the fact that, you know, it's sound deadener. It's pretty damn good. My car was like completely stock when I first got it before I chose to actually start modifying it. And once I did start modifying it, it's been pretty good to me, aside from the fact that like weird shit happened. Like I had someone fuck with my coilovers and they like slammed one side all the way down, which I know I didn't do because when I put them on I adjusted them right. So I don't know, it was really weird. Like I got a couple haters out there. It's okay. Like I love you too, man. Keep fucking with it and I'll just get better and better each time, right? You know? Okay, so I'm like driving right now with the coilovers, with the Maxpeeding in the rear, and let me tell you, the Maxpeeding shocks are like, bro, amazing. Like, yo. Okay, this is where I'm at right now, you guys. All I'm saying is Maxpeeding, I'm amazed. Quality for the price. I love it. It feels like I'm on OE shocks, and it's like, it still feels aggressive. Like, and then the speed bumps in my complex, I'm going over speed bumps right now. And yo, I don't even hear a creak. So when people are installing these, I got pillow ball mounts in the rear. So I don't know if like, maybe it's because I installed my setup right, but the people who say they always having issues with sounds and shit, I didn't have no issues with sounds. Maxpeeding, you guys are over the top. I'm gonna be installing the fronts probably tonight, dude. I'm like, these are like crack, because now I want to buy another set, man. You guys got me hooked, man. If you guys ever need somebody to rep your shit, I'll rep it to the fullest, bro. You guys make a good product. I can't wait to put the fronts on, because on the fronts, they're still super stiff, and I love the fact you guys got helper springs in the front, so I think it's going to be really nice, especially with my car being an XI. Only reason why I didn't put the fronts on yet is because I have to modify your guys' coilovers. I love Maxpeedingrods. If you know anything about E46s, the XIs are different from that regular standard rear-wheel drive 325is. So this is my whole thing is, once I do this and I actually modify the coilovers to fit, I think I'm gonna be happy. I think I'm gonna be extremely happy, especially having those helper springs up front. Because right now I'm rolling static up front and I don't have no type of give. I think having a little bit of give coming out of like places would be nice. Like, bro, my kids are in the back. They don't even feel the bumps no more. Like, before with those blown ass shocks, I was all over the goddamn road. I appreciate you guys. I hope you know. Big ups to Maxpeeding. I hope you guys go out there and buy some Maxpeeding coilovers for your car and go have fun too. With a 2-year warranty, bro, I fucking love it, man. You can't beat that, yo. You'll see me hollering at you guys. I want to upgrade next time. That's the goal, man. I want to spend some money with you guys. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. I'll let you know how it is.